So now that we took the time to finish that entire column, okay, what you do to graph, and I like using two different colors when I graph, but obviously I couldn't do that when I made my copies. So what I would do, so for account A, I'm going to say, okay, I have 100. In year 1, I have 110. Year 2, I have 120. Year 3, I have 130. Year 4, I have 140. Year 5, I have 150. And so on. 160. And you will find that you graph a very straight line. All right? So everybody should have a straight line graph. Now, in account B, I'm just going to flip this on over. You are going to do your compound calculation. So, you have 100 plus the 10 you know about, right? So you have 110 at the end of the first. So 110 times 10% is 11. Put it back, add it to the 110 you had. Now you have 121. What do you do with the $121?
Spend it.
We have to leave it for 20 years. Thank you. So what do you multiply the 121 by to start year 3? What are you going to get in year 3? Times, what's the interest rate?
10%.
10%. So 0.1 equals, then you're going to earn $12.10. What do you add that back to put in box 3? To the $121 you had the year before. So that's $133.10. So here in your graph, you had your 100, your 110, your 121. Now we have 133.10. So you're going to put that 133.10 in that box. Now you're going to start with 133.10 and multiply it by 10%. And then you're going to get your 4, and so on. Okay, see how it changes? Is compounding better than simple interest? Do you earn more money? Yeah. And the two lines will show you the difference. Do you connect the dots? How do you know when to connect the dots and when not to connect the dots?
They have to be like connected in some way all together.
Okay, now, if you took out your money at 6 months, would you earn the amount in between? Are you earning every day in between? If you took it out in between, would they pay you the difference? Would the bank pay you the difference?
No.
It depends on what the guidelines are. But is the money earning the difference in between? Probably so. So you can connect the dots in this situation. It's like if you go to the post office and you buy postage, and you buy it for a 2.5 ounce package. Do you pay for 2.5 ounces or do you pay for 3 ounces? You pay for 3. And so would you connect those dots? Would you pay a in-between amount? No. So you don't connect those dots. Those are dots that are unique. It's actually called a stepwise graph. And it looks very different.